Hey everyone, it's Jake back with another video. So if you've never heard of a roll-up piano keyboard, I'm about to show you what it looks like and how it works. So let's get into the video and get started. Hey everyone, so as you can see in the camera, I have a roll-up piano keyboard. I will leave a link in the description so you can check it out if you want to get it. I'll also leave some links to some smaller versions of these so you can check those out too if you like. So, to prove to you that this is a roll-up piano, I'm going to go ahead and roll this out for you. Okay, Rascal, you're going to have to move. Here comes the piano. Watch out. Okay. So as you can see, I rolled out the piano. And it's a wireless piano too, so you don't actually need it plugged in. It does come with a charger. And it is a USB charger. This piano is also a MIDI controller. You can use its charger to connect it to your computer, and you can control it with whatever DAW you have. So I'm not going to go through all 128 sounds, but I will go through a few of them. So I'm going to go ahead and turn its power on. Okay, it's powered up. And the first sound is a grand piano, so and it has its own speaker. You can also hook it up to headphones and a speaker. You can hook a microphone to it, a sustain pedal. There's the USB to charge it and to hook it to a computer for controlling. You can hook an MP3 to it, and then there's the power on and off switch. So, yeah, and then there's buttons right here. So it also has a built-in drum machine, so I'll go ahead and start that. And then there's a rhythm button that you can change the rhythm. There's also a tempo button, which is what I'm doing right now. So you can change the tempo of the drums. And yeah, it also has a drum kit button, so you can play your drums on the actual keys as well. You can record with it. I've never actually tried to record with it, but if you get one, you can check it out, because I'm still learning how to use this. I mean, this piano, I wouldn't say it would be best for professional keyboardists to use. I would say if you're starting out learning piano, this would be a great piano to buy. But I mean, I've been playing music since 2010. The only reason why I got this is because I wanted to see what it actually looked like and if it actually worked. So sometimes when you hit the keys, you will hear double of the same note, but it's made of rubber, so it's not like your normal typical keyboard. It has a built-in metronome. Oh, that's how you change the time signature. You just hit the metronome button. Yeah. Alright, so to get back to the tones, you just hit the tone button. We'll check out some more sounds. Wait. Okay. To exit the drum kits, you gotta hit the drum kit button again so you can actually turn the drum kit off. Okay, now we should be able to get more sounds. There we go. Okay. So yeah, I mean, there's pretty cool sounds on here. I mean, for a wallet piano, it's pretty cool sounds on here for a wallet piano. I wouldn't recommend it for professional keyboardists, but if you want to check it out, I'll leave some links in the description below so you can go check it out. Alright, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If it's your first time here, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And comment down below to let me know what you think of this. I think it's pretty cool if you want to learn how to play piano, or if you just want to check it out, play around with it. Maybe take it camping with you or whatever. But I wouldn't recommend taking it to shows and gigs because, I mean, it's more of a starter keyboard than a professional keyboard. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.